Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech TV. In this video, we are going to learn how to download SingX application on your iOS device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, tap and open App Store on your device. Now, click on the search bar and type in SingX and click on search. Now you will find this logo here. Click on it and click on Get button. You need to verify using your Face ID, fingerprint or a password. After the verification is done, your download will be started shortly. When the download is completed, click on Open to your SingX application. So that is how you can download SingX application on your iOS device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.